Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile but you can't seem to find it on your Motorola Moto G52. So in order to fix this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, let's try finding Call of Duty. As you can see, there's no game here. And in order to fix this, let's move back, click on our profile icon, move to the settings, then family, go for parental controls, and there's two ways you can fix that. First one, disable parental controls entirely, enter your PIN, then OK. Next is to press on apps and games, enter your PIN code, click OK, and increase PGI to at least 18. Click save. When the settings are saved, we can go back, search for Call of Duty again, and here we can find Call of Duty Mobile. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.